It's been a long battle of unlearning the way I was taught how to look at myself and treat myself. I was taught to put family first and give to family even when it's my last. But at the same time, if you really think about it, how am I supposed to pour into your cup if my pitcher is empty? How am I supposed to pour into you if I have nothing for myself? I can't help anybody until I help myself first. And I feel like that's the key to being successful. I can't keep giving if there's nothing for me. I'm still learning how to love myself as I am. I can't keep worrying about what people think about me because at the end of the day, it's going to with how I look at myself. I was scolded so much into being quiet and keeping my head down in order to please other people. I also ended up developing that people pleaser bullshit. It's because I felt like anything I was doing as a daughter, niece, cousin, sister, somebody was always shaming me. And when you hear the same thing over and over again from multiple people that you love, you start to believe it. And at one point, I started to believe everything my family was telling me that I am. Part of loving myself is also forgiving myself for believing them in the first place. So I feel like anxiety also comes from being ashamed, not being able to be your whole true self and stand in your truth and do what makes you happy, because the way our culture raised us is to keep your head down and comply.